The following program is closed captioned for the thinking impaired.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Daily Toke. It's April the 23rd, 2007, and man, it's good to be back, and it's good to see you. And with that said, let's get to the butt of the day, and that would be shipwreck. And I gotta tell you, man, shipwreck, train wreck, I don't know, these names, sometimes. I tell you what though, man, this shit'll knock your socks off. Just look at that stuff. Look at it. I know you need a couple of minutes to look at it, so let's look real good. I wish I could smoke it with some of you, but hey, maybe one day. Anyway, let's get to the show. Hey, I had a great weekend. I hope you did too. And I got some great, comments and a really cool video response on one of the shows last week. And I got to tell you, man, it was real heartfelt. It was on that one about the most amazing tool ever with Modern Oracle was on that show. And, it really touched me to get that video response because, sometimes, I'm just like everybody else. I have my doubts, and you're doing a show like this and you wonder what the hell you're doing it for sometimes. And I tell you what, that one video response really put it in perspective for me. And I have to say, Penn in Denmark, man, I really appreciate that response. And I tell you what, if I touch one person doing the show, just one person, it was worth every minute of it. So anyway, man, I got a great show for you today. My friend Dion, his channel's ROKGOD, he's coming up, and it's really cool. I mentioned that show about the greatest tool ever made, and it's really true. I see it all over. You guys are putting stuff together. You musicians are doing collabs, and I've seen other collaborations with directors and stuff doing things, and from comedy to you name it. And I have to tell you, it is really cool that we're all doing this and using this thing. And like I said on the other show, it's time to make a big noise with this thing. You got it right in front of you, and you could turn it into anything you want it to be. I tell you, they do space travel with these things. They do everything. It runs your whole life now. Everything from banking to shopping, you name it, and stuff. And we're gonna use this thing in the next election and the next coming years. And this little community that they call a microcosm of true society is actually overcoming the true society, and we're not a microcosm anymore. I think what's going to end up happening is true society is going to be a microcosm of the internet. But that's just my opinion. Anyway, I salute all you guys that are putting stuff together, and and especially, nothing touches me more than to have people write a song about your show or something like Mammogram did. That's unreal, that people are that interested, and it's great that a show like this could spark people's imagination. And that brings me to our guest today. He himself has been bitten by the daily bug, and he had some interesting insights as to what he thought, and he wrote a song about it. Isn't that cool? Anyway, let's go see him, man. His name's Dion. His channel's ROKGOD, and I gotta tell you, man, this guy's a phenomenal artist in many respects, from music to just different mediums when it comes to art, painting, The guy's got a rare imagination. And hey, let's go down to Mississippi and see him, okay?
Ah, Mr. Daly.
Hey, Dion,
Daily
what's
Toke.
happening?
This is for you. I call train wreck.
Yeah, I need some more of
I
that.
say that I smoke this stuff, so on camera you ain't gonna see it.
Oh man, if this is just between me and you.
So I'm gonna turn the camera off now. You can't see it, but
Okay.
you hear it.
Okay.
Scratch the stem monitors do work. Turn the camera off.
Uh-oh.
Damn, I forgot to turn the camera off.
Yeah, that's a good
Lord,
shit.
Lord, here you go. Here.
Right
Take
on. Thanks, man.
I'm sorry about the homemade little aluminum shit. I'll probably get Alzheimer.
We probably all have old
I
timers.
had carpal tunnel syndrome once. Carpal tunnel syndrome. I was afraid of being caught in a tunnel while riding in a carpool. Scared the hell out of me. And that was right before I quit smoking cigarettes. Anyway, right before I quit cigarettes. You're witnessing a flashback right now. It's not really happening. Anyway, I tried those patches, the nicotine patches. They don't work. Some of the bitches won't stay lit no matter how hard you try. I wasted 3 50-cent big lighters at the beer store. They don't work. While I'm on a roll, I made a joke up yesterday, and my wife thought it was real corny. So I'll ask y'all about it. What do you call a speckled potato? A spectator.
Oh, dude, she's gonna leave you over jokes like that.
I thought that was fine. Alright, man. Here's a song of the day. Free speech, the N-word.
Uh-oh.
Fake it halfway through because I only got halfway written.
Right on.
Well, you can't say that 'cause you ain't black. You'll make a lot of people angry. Al and Jesse, they'll pitch a hissy and the media man to shame you. You gotta be careful what you say today, or your freedom of speech will be taken away from you. They call it the N-word. Have you heard the N-word? How absurd the N-word. Have you heard the N-word? You can call me a cracker or trailer trash. I don't give a damn if you want to bash me. See, I got a sense of humor. You can say that I'm a honky. I don't care, man, you're a monkey. I wouldn't really say that to you, 'cause I love you, man. The N-word, have you heard? Oh, it's now absurd. Never again to be heard. The N-word. Oh, Daly, you know what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah.
Bill of Rights and the freedom of speech. Can't you see us going down the drain? With the N-word, have you heard how absurd is the N-word? This is brought to you especially from a cracker, trailer trash, white trash, redneck, Jesus loving, country music lover, whiskey drinking, dope smoking, son of a bitch.
Thanks, Dion.
I had lived all that. Not the first line. Sorry.